Namaste, I am from India. Always I say Namaste. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how to use a mouse and how to use a keyboard in the computer. A lot of people in this world do not know how to use this. If you know this is very good, you can skip the video. If you do not know, please watch full video. I will give you the basic information how to use keyboard and mouse in the computer. And if you come first time my YouTube channel, please hit the red button and subscribe it and press the bell icon. When I make a video, you will get the notification. Let's start. See, this is a computer setup I have. This is called the CPU. This is called the monitor. Either it is LED or it is a LCD or the TFT. This is a monitor. This is called 15-inch size. You will find the monitor in the different size. You will find the monitor in the 18.5 inch. You will find the monitor in the 22 inch. This is a 15-inch monitor I have. Now I have connected the keyboard in my computer. I have connected the mouse in my computer. This is called the wired keyboard because I have connected the keyboard with the wired and I have connected the mouse with the wired. Okay, now I'm going to tell you one by one thing. You can connect the keyboard and mouse to the computer by two ways. One is the USB port and one is the PS2 port. I show you that. You will see this kind of motherboard in the computer also. You see, this is two port I have. This is a blue one and this is a green one. Both this called is the PS2 port. You can connect the keyboard with the blue port and you can connect the mouse with this green port, but this is a discontinued model. You will not find the keyboard and mouse basis of that. You will find the keyboard and mouse basic of the USB base. Okay, either you connect the wireless keyboard and mouse or you connect the wired keyboard mouse. In the wireless keyboard mouse, you will find the one dongle you have to connect here, while this you can connect the keyboard mouse. Okay, this is a two way to connect the keyboard and mouse. And now I tell you how the mouse work in the computer. See, this is a mouse I have. You see, this is a mouse I have. This is called the optical mouse. Why I am calling this is optical mouse? Because you see, there is a light you see. Okay, this is a one red color light is this, because you know before this it was coming the mouse in the scroll in the ball size, like that you will playing with the ball in the school days. Now it's come with the optical mouse. You see, light is over there. How it work? When the light reflect to the surface of the ground, like I put it here like this. So when light reflect to the surface and indicate, when I move this, you see this cursor moving. See, when I put the here, I move it and you see this is the cursor is moving. This is a pointer. This is called the cursor in the computer. With the help of this, it's working. See how I'm moving. This is the cursor is moving on. Okay, so when light reflect to the ground and this is working. Okay, suppose I want to take this here. What I have to do? I have to take this mouse here like this on this. Now the cursor you see here. Now I want to take some else, you can take there. As you move the mouse here and there, you can work with the mouse. Clear to you? Now I show you there are the 2 or 3 buttons in the mouse. One is this is the left button, this is the left button, and this is the right button, and this is a scroll one. What is the use of 3 buttons? I tell you one thing. Suppose you have taken this. You take this cursor to this place. Suppose you click here on the computer. Now you want to open the computer. What you have to do? You have to click with the left key. Okay, on 2 times on the keyboard and the control computer. This now open. Again you want to open this thing. You want to open something like this. You can have to click 2 times here on this and this monitor will open. And you want to open the file. Whatever you want to do with this, you can do it. Okay, simple way to open something. You have to do this. Suppose you want to close this window. You take this cursor here. Suppose you take this pointer to the corner, and this corner you take it and click on the right. Now this is closed. Understood? This is the left button use. Now I tell you what is use of right button. Suppose this is the desktop. This is desktop, and you want to open the properties of this. I was clicking here, it was opening, but I click on the right button on this. You will see the properties of this. You see, now this is property. You want to see what is the capacity of this drive and lot of a thing you want to know about this. You can click on the right button on this. You can open the properties. You can rename it. You can delete it. You can copy paste. Lot of a thing is there. 2 different type of thing. And you want to refresh the desktop. I right click here and I click on the refresh. I can refresh it. See, got it? 2 buttons are there. One is the left button, what is the right button. To open something, you have to click 2 times on the item, and you want to see the properties of the item, you have to click the right button. Understood? Now what is the use of this scroll? For this I open the Microsoft Word. See, this is the Microsoft Word. I open it. Suppose I have written the 10-15 page, I have typed over there. Now I want to take the page down. What I have to do? I take this, I just move it here. You see, when I move it here, scroll is up and down. How is moving? See, this is moving because you know I am moving this, I am scrolling it. You can see. Now you have understood the three items: left, scroll, and this right button. Okay. Now see, when I move it, it's up down only. This is only for that. I have written the 20 page, I have written 30 page. Now I can go from first page to last page. Is that clear to you about the mouse? Now I close it and I tell you about the how to use a keyboard. See, this is a keyboard I have. Different kind of keyboard you will find in the market. Multimedia keyboard you will find in the market. Normal keyboard you will find in the market. This is normal keyboard I have. Normally one and six keys or one and the two keys you will find. You can count it and you get a keyboard. See, this is a keyboard here. How to use this? This is an input device. With the help of this, you type anything in the computer. Suppose you want to type a letter, you have to use this. Suppose you want to type application, you have to use it. Lot of things you have to do with this. If you don't know about this, you cannot use a computer and you cannot use the laptop. How to use? There is the first part of this. You see the first line of the keyboard. This is called the function key. F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7. This is called the function key. Rarely these keys are used. Not all time used. This is used with some other keys also. Okay, this is the key. This is function key. I will tell you later on some other video. But I come to the main point on this. And you want to type a numeric, you can type here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to minus sign. You want to type. You have to press the plus sign. You have to delete something. I give example. Suppose I open the Microsoft Word. You will find this software in every computer. This is the Microsoft Word. Otherwise, you can open the Notepad also. I am going to click on this. Now I click here. Now this page is open. Suppose I want to type something. I want to type. Suppose my name is Jogendra. I want to type. See, this is the computer. See. I want to type anything. What I have to do? I have to type M. You see, cursor is here. M Y space. I want to give a space here between this, so I have to press. This is called the space bar. This is a long key over there. This is called the space bar. I click here, you will get the space. Okay, my again you see NAME name. You see again I click a space bar. You will find, because you know that when I type anything, the first letter automatic it get the capital letter. When I type with a small letter, when I press the space bar button, automatically change with the capital letter. What is how to type a capital letter, how to type a small letter? See, my name is Jogendra. I want to type it. All I am typing in the small letter Jogendra. Jogendra. Nothing is that I have to see this thing. I give a space bar and I type whatever I want to type. Now I want to type in the capital letter. This is a small letter. Now I want to type in the capital. How to do this? There you see on the caps lock button is there on the keyboard. See, caps lock is there. When you press it and simple. Now you type my name is Jogendra. See, my name Jogendra. I type this. I press the caps lock button. You see, this is you type with the okay, this is capital letter. Now you want to type the numeric. Suppose 1, you want to type to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am understanding you are the one basic thing you are learning. Okay, and you want to give a space. Again you want to type any number. You can type here. This is the way. Now you want to type the @ sign. When you type to hash sign, you type the $sign. How you can do this? When I press this button, you see only 2 is writing over there. If I press 2 to do. Now I want to use this sign. How to do? Here there is one button is shift. You see, press shift, then you press it. When you press it, you will find, see, you will find that the @. Same way you want to type the dollar. Same, see, you see the @ sign is there. Same way you want to type the $sign. So you have to press the shift, then you type the $sign. You will see this is a key. Now you want to delete something, you have written wrong, you want to delete something, you have typed wrong, you want to delete something, the space bar, backspace there, you see backspace there, just press it on and you see you are deleting something. Okay, this is a way to, like it is a eraser. You want to delete something, you can erase. Now you will find the delete button also there. If I press the delete button, nothing will happen. See, nothing happen. Pressing. When I am pressing this delete button is not working. Okay, what I have to do? I have to take the front of this Now I press the delete button, you see now deleting. Okay, so from beginning it will delete, from back side it will delete. This is the key, this is basic. And now you want to come the next time, how to do? You see enter button is there, press enter, you will see this is the enter button. Now you want to go up, you click here. This is the basic information I give you, and lot of thing you and see the number lock is there. You want to use the number key here, you can do this, and this is keyboard. The basic information I gave you about the keyboard and mouse. If you have watched full video, you must have learned basic information about the keyboard and mouse. If you like this video, please comment it and share it. Lot of people in this world do not know, and they must come to know about this. Again I say namaste to all of you.